Hi, my name is Kurt Kuckein. I am the Senior Director of Marketing here at DDN, and welcome to the DDN booth here at Supercomputing. So the theme for SC19 is HPC is now. We think that it's really gone beyond that. Sure, high-performance supercomputing is becoming more relevant in commercial markets, and we're seeing a lot of commercial adoption. We're seeing a lot of organizations that were maybe focused on commercial IT now becoming more interested in HPC and supercomputing, mainly driven by this explosion in AI. And AI is becoming such a huge driver of supercomputing and supercomputing-like architectures in enterprises. And so we see things like a spike in attendance here at SC, representing this growth in HPC and supercomputing type workflows to address these data-centric type needs within enterprises. DDN products are particularly well suited for these HPC-like workflows that we're finding in AI, and we really see it as a convergence of these kinds of needs. So it's a very data-centric workflow. So the data is at the heart of this explosion in need for both compute and storage. And so data management is also becoming very, very important. We are building in data management capabilities into our high-performance file systems and solutions to particularly address those types of workflows. Speaking of our collaboration with NVIDIA, we have the AI 400X today that we're showing with the NVIDIA DGX2. And this is representative of a reference architecture that we have done with NVIDIA, which is made up of high-performance storage, high-performance networking with Mellanox switching, and the NVIDIA DGX2. And what this accomplishes for customers is that they can now deploy HPC-like infrastructure for whatever they're doing, analytics, AI, machine learning, deep learning, and do so very easily and quickly in hours sometimes versus the months that it used to take to deploy these types of infrastructures. Some of the most exciting use cases that we are seeing these days are in the commercial sector. So whereas before, a lot of the architectures have been adopted in spaces such as universities, the research labs, government institutions, we're now really seeing commercial customers gravitate towards these types of architectures to be able to use them in places like financial services, pharmaceutical development, manufacturing, and autonomous vehicles. And they're using these because they're very easy to deploy now. You're taking days to deploy it. They're much easier to manage. But they are conversely also collecting a lot more data, whether it's from a diverse sense of sensors or the fidelity on their sensors is just becoming higher and higher. And the amount of data that they need to process is becoming so huge that the only thing that's going to work for them is these types of architectures. If you need any more information on DDN products or the use cases that we're working on, please check us out at ddn.com.